ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And the relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work, he was always busy with the country, and now I have this every day with him, talking about life, talking about family, and for that I feel like I am blessed.
Blessed, yeah.
Because at this point he's already 80 and he's already retired. But going back as mayor, baka mabisi na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. So nabigyan kami ng ganitong time na makapag-usap as a father-daughter.
Yeah, nice kayo.
Sad lang that it happened inside.
Yeah. Pero there is a good